Hey guys, today I want to share with you this awesome universal remote. This is so great. It works with TVs, sound bars, multiple devices. I'm getting it set up right now to show you how awesome it is. Very cool little screen on the top. It has an app that you just scan in your little quick guide here. So I just scanned the app, downloaded it. So overall it's been so simple so far to set up and it's successfully connected. So very cool there. So I'm going to connect it to my TV and show you how great it works. This remote will work with 500,000 plus home entertainment devices from 6,000 plus brands. You can add up to 15 plus devices compatible with IR and Blue devices, so not for Wi-Fi. It has a rechargeable battery for up to 60 days standby, the scroll wheel, this display screen, and then it has a really great long infrared distance. I also love the larger buttons and the larger display keys. It has improved back battery cover, so it's easy to open. All right, now that I got it all set up, I'm just gonna go through a couple features, how awesome it is. I have my TV right on the front, you can see. And if you have multiple devices, you can scroll through it there, which is really cool. So I'm just gonna do some volume on here. As you can see, very cool, works well. I'm gonna go to my home. All right, I can scroll through the games and what's on TV there. So overall it works so nice. As I said, if I needed to turn it on, turn it off, I can do all of that. Play, pause. This offers tons of options. So I really like that I can use this one remote for multiple TVs. I can add to my other ones and just scroll through the TV I need. So great product. I'm going to turn off my TV and show you how much I like it. If you're in the market for a great remote, definitely go check this one out.